Hi, everybody. My name is Mrs. McNaughton, and I'm glad you're here to find out what our yearbook class is going to be about. I'm the advisor for the Rex Putnam Yearbook, and I'm super excited to be working with all of you so we can create a great book for what is going to be a memorable year in all of your lives. Today, we're going to go through kind of what the expectations are for the class and cover what's going to happen in the class as far as what are we doing to put this book together. But yes, there will still be a yearbook. That's pretty much question number one. Creating the yearbook for the year means we have to come up with content to fill the book. And we're going to be learning all of these skills, working on all of these ideas as we start the class. First content, of course, is photos. This is like the most important thing to tell the stories of what's been happening with our year and being able to see everyone and what's going on. Most of our photos this year will be crowdsourced during distance learning, which means we'll be setting information out and trying to gather back pictures for different topics. And I have some things built already for how to do that, and I'm super excited to share them with you. The second is writing captions. When we build a page, we have to put with each photo a little caption about what's going on. So you're going to learn how to do that. And we're writing copy. In some ways, yearbook is a journalism class. We learn about how to write stories and profiles on people and how to write articles about what's happening on the pages. And we're going to be working together to learn how to do that kind of writing and put together all of the content that we need for our pages. Communication is the second skill we're going to be working with. You'll be able to conduct interviews and write up the interviews into a variety of formats for use in the yearbook, whether this is about a specific event or a specific class, or if we're doing a longer piece like a student or staff profile and you have to ask more questions to get through the information so you can build a great story on a person. Last is creating the pages itself. Our yearbook company has a lot of tools for us as far as page design, cropping photos, working on our theme, and just putting everything together to build a beautiful book. I can't wait to work with you and be able to work with eDesign through Herf Jones and really start putting these pages together. The first part of class this quarter, we are going to be working on learning how to do these things. It starts with some basics of yearbook design and what is a yearbook and how do we put it together and what goes in the pages. But eventually, before we get to the end of the term, you will know how to build yearbook pages and put them together. And it's going to be amazing as we look at what we're doing this year. Grading is basically, we're making things. So helping collecting content, whether you're reaching out and getting those photos from people or conducting interviews, making the actual pages, designing layouts, editing pages, and really, do you get the work done? This almost works like a job in a way where there will be expectations laid out that there will be deadlines and we have to get pages done by the end of the deadline. So you will be able to see your progress and see what you're doing and know what your grade will be because of that. I'm so excited to be working with you, and we'll see each other on Monday. If you have any really specific questions that you need answered before Monday, or you just want to check in and see anything else about what's going to be happening in the class, please email me. My email address is on here right now. I'm sorry we couldn't do an in-person presentation and question and answer session, but thank you so much for coming and listening to the yearbook session and getting the information about what's going to be going on.